In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download image from Behance. If you need to save an original image from one of your Behance projects, the process is pretty simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without getting lost. To get started, log into your Behance account. Make sure you're signed into the account that actually owns the project, because the download option we're looking for is available from the project editor. Once you're logged in, give the page a moment to fully load so all menu options appear properly. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and find your profile icon. Hover over that icon to open the account menu, then select Behance Profile. This will take you to your public profile page where your projects are displayed. Now find the project that contains the image you want to download. Once you locate it, hover over the project thumbnail. You should see a gear icon appear as one of the available options. Move your cursor over that gear icon and then click Edit. This opens the project editor, which is where you can manage the content inside that project. After the editor loads, look through the project content and find the specific image you want to save. When you hover over the image, a pencil icon should appear at the top left. Click that pencil icon to open the image options. From there, select Download Original. This is the option that lets you download the original version of the image directly from the project editor. Depending on your browser settings, the file may either download automatically to your default downloads folder or prompt you to choose where to save it. If you don't see the file right away, check your browser's downloads list. A helpful tip here is to make sure you're clicking on the correct image block, especially if your project contains several visuals stacked together. If needed, take your time and hover carefully until the pencil icon appears on the image you want. And that's it. Once you click Download Original, your image will be saved to your device. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to download an image from Behance.